3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10. Let's welcome our special guest, no other than Optimus Prime. Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating special guest. Diba o napakaangas ni Optimus? Okay, sige. Okay, alalayan mo yan. Baka maging kotse yan dyan. Sige, padaanan natin. Ang laki ng Optimus, oh. Oh, sige, okay. Oh, diba? Yan. At ngayon eto, sa lahat po ng mga bata, merong hinandang dance number ang ating special guest. Gusto nyo bang makita mag-tiktok at sumayaw ang ating special guest? Okay, so eto, ready lang natin yung ating music. Okay, quiz. Okay, pakisaksak mo na lang dito. Okay, eto, tapos sa cellphone mo yung sa kabila. Yan. Okay, bago po tayo magsisimula, palakpakan naman po natin si Optimus Prime. Palakpakan naman!
With the Allspark gone, we cannot return life to our planet. And fate has yielded its reward. A new world to call home. I am Optimus Prime. We are here. We are waiting. Autobots, sworn protector against the forces of Megatron. And I also heard it's her birthday. Well, I've come to bring you a very special message, straight from the Autobots themselves. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday from the Autobots. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday from the Autobots. Happy birthday to you. Now remember, though the Tiffany came from the Decepticons, they can be very separate. In the meantime, transform, roll out, and happy birthday.
Alright, wala bang mga kamay dyan? Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating bisita na si Optimus Prime. Di ba ang lambot ng katawan ni Optimus? Okay, so eto, bago po tayo tutungo sa ating magic show. Okay, Mami and Daddy, kasama ang ating birthday boy.